Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to access XRP ledger. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. Accessing the XRP ledger involves using tools and platforms that interact with this decentralized network depending on your use case. So the first thing that you need to do is use an XRP wallet. Head over to your app store and then simply download a wallet, for example like Trust Wallet, Wallet or Ledger Nano. And then next is to fund your wallet. Create an account on the XRP ledger, fund it with at least 10 XRP for reserve. Second is to explore XRPL using block explorers, which allow you to view transactions, account and ledger activity. You can use explorers like BitHome, XRPL.org Explorer and Ledger.expose. Number third is to access via XRP ledger tools. These tools allow direct interaction with the XRP ledger for various tasks like XRPL.org or XRP Toolkit. Number fourth is to use API to build on XRPL. Developers can access the XRPL ledger programmatically using APIs like Ripple API, gRPC API, WebSocket API. And then next is to set up your own XPL node and then access via decentralized exchange launched with testnet, and then RPL for smart contract via hooks or advanced functionality using sidechains like the EVM compatible sidechain on the development monitor update via XRPL.org. So these are a couple of steps that you can do, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.